Welcome to our guide on how to digitize hydrogen plants for 2025 and beyond. Today, we're going to show you how your facility can unlock a 15 to 25% improvement in return on investment through the power of data, automation, and intelligent decision-making. By fully adopting digital strategies, you could see ROI boosts of up to 25%, keeping your operations not just sustainable but also highly profitable. Thank you for joining us at reneenergy.com. This presentation is your definitive source for mastering green hydrogen digitalization. We've built an ROI-first roadmap to help plant managers, investors, and engineers achieve measurable results. Whether you're just starting your digital journey or looking to optimize existing investments, you're in the right place. Many hydrogen plants today are leaving significant money on the table. Key challenges include underused operational data, reliance on manual monitoring, reactive rather than proactive maintenance, and limited predictive optimization. These gaps keep operational expenses high and suppress potential profits. Digitalization is the solution, and we're here to show you how. So what exactly can digitalization do for your ROI? By leveraging predictive maintenance powered by AI, integrating advanced SCADA systems for real-time optimization, employing machine learning for yield improvement, and tracking performance through insightful dashboards, hydrogen facilities can transform efficiency and profitability. Let's start with predictive maintenance. By deploying AI and IoT sensors throughout your plant, you can track key performance indicators like temperature, vibration, and load in real time. This means you'll anticipate equipment failures before they happen, avoiding costly downtime and unplanned repairs. What does this mean in numbers? Plants that implement predictive maintenance report up to 50% reductions in unplanned downtime and see maintenance costs drop by about 20%. Beyond that, O&M budgeting becomes smoother and capital expenditures decrease over time, delivering compounding financial benefits. Modern hydrogen facilities harness the power of SCADA systems paired with real-time controls and digital twins. These tools allow operators to run live efficiency models, optimize load shifts, and even predict bottlenecks before they occur. With this, your plant moves from reactive to proactive operation and decision-making. The results of implementing SCADA and real-time optimization speak for themselves. Up to 10 to 15% reductions in energy costs, improved water management, and the ability to quickly identify and correct off-spec gas output. Together, these benefits enhance product quality and reduce operational waste. Let's talk about yield. By utilizing machine learning models, plants can fine-tune electrolyzer efficiency based on a range of inputs like historical production data, weather patterns, and future load forecasts. These insights can drive up to an 8% improvement in hydrogen yield per kilowatt hour, directly boosting your output and bottom line. Taking it a step further, advanced machine learning brings even more value when connected with profit engine optimization, automated grid balancing, and real-time pricing data. By integrating these systems, plants can make smarter production decisions that respond instantly to market conditions for maximum profit. All of these advanced tools generate data, lots of it. That's where dashboards and KPI tracking come in. Centralized dashboards let you monitor the most critical metrics: hydrogen produced, plant uptime, prediction accuracy, and carbon intensity. This continuous tracking supports ongoing improvement and transparency. Consider this real-world example. A 40-megawatt PM electrolyzer facility in Germany underwent a full digital transformation in 2024. The entire process from planning to full-scale deployment took just 6 months, a testament to how quickly capable teams can see results with the right roadmap. The outcomes were remarkable. The plant achieved an 80% reduction in unexpected failures, cut its energy bill by 18%, and accelerated its return on investment timeline by 9 months. These numbers prove that digitalization acts as a true profit multiplier in hydrogen production. To help you implement these strategies, we've developed a professional 8-page ROI checklist. It includes powerful ROI calculators, vendor evaluation templates, a step-by-step monthly roadmap, success metric tracking, cost-saving benchmarks, and curated industry insights. Be sure to download this practical guide to maximize your digitalization journey. Our checklist is designed for practical impact. It supports smarter planning, helps you avoid costly pitfalls, makes it easy to prove your business case to investors, and provides materials that board members will appreciate. Whether you're new to digitalization or refining existing systems, this checklist streamlines your path to success. Of course, there are common pitfalls. The three critical mistakes that sabotage ROI in hydrogen digitalization projects are buying technology before defining the strategy, failing to integrate systems fully, and undertraining your operational teams. Avoiding these mistakes is essential for long-term gains. The right approach is clear. Start with a solid strategy, ensure deep system integration, and invest in comprehensive team enablement. Our checklist addresses each of these areas, setting you up for guaranteed digitalization success and sustainable financial returns. In closing, digitalization is the cornerstone of competitive hydrogen plant operations. It's the key to higher productivity, lower costs, extended equipment lifetimes, and data-driven decisions at every level. Embrace this change, and your plant can lead the transition to a sustainable future. Ready to take action? Begin your plant's digital transformation by using our Green Hydrogen Digitalization Checklist. With this tool, you can streamline your results, define a clear roadmap, and accelerate time to value for your operations. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide valuable, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. We want to hear from you. What are the biggest barriers you see to digitalizing hydrogen plants? Join the discussion and let's accelerate the path to a greener, more efficient future together.